Welcome, everyone, to this deep dive into the captivating history of artificial intelligence. From the pioneering work of Alan Turing to the groundbreaking GPT-3, we're embarking on a journey that spans decades of innovation and ingenuity. So, sit back, relax, and let's explore this incredible story, one that deserves our complete attention. Segment 1. The Birth of AI. Alan Turing. Our odyssey begins with a genius mathematician, Alan Turing, who, in 1936, introduced the concept of the Turing machine. Turing's ideas laid the groundwork for modern computing and set the stage for AI. We'll delve into his life, work, and the enduring legacy he left for AI researchers. Segment 2. Dartmouth Workshop and Early AI. In 1956, the Dartmouth Workshop became the cradle of AI. Pioneers like John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, and others gathered to define the field of AI formally. We'll discuss the enthusiasm of this era and the initial expectations that shaped the AI landscape. Segment 3. The AI Winter and Resurgence. The 1970s and 80s saw the AI winter, a period of reduced funding and optimism. Understanding this phase is crucial to appreciate the challenges AI faced and how it later experienced a renaissance. We'll explore the factors contributing to both the downturn and the revival. Segment 4. Expert Systems and Neural Networks. The 1980s introduced expert systems and neural networks. Expert systems aimed to replicate human expertise, while neural networks were inspired by the human brain. We'll delve deep into these technologies, their applications, and why they were significant milestones. Segment 5. Machine Learning and Deep Learning. In the 21st century, machine learning took center stage, with algorithms and vast datasets driving progress. Deep learning, powered by neural networks with many layers, played a pivotal role. We'll explain the inner workings of these transformative technologies. Segment 6. Natural Language Processing and GPT-3. 2020 marked a watershed moment with the arrival of GPT-3. This language model, developed by OpenAI, can understand and generate human-like text. We'll analyze the architecture, capabilities, and the profound impact it's having across industries. Segment 7. Ethical and Societal Considerations. Alongside technological advancement, AI brought forth ethical dilemmas, from bias in algorithms to privacy concerns. We'll explore the ethical challenges and the efforts made to ensure AI serves humanity responsibly. Segment 8. The Road Ahead. As we near the end of our journey, we'll discuss what the future holds for AI. Quantum computing, AGI, and the potential societal implications await. Understanding the possibilities and challenges ahead is vital for AI's continued evolution. Segment 9. Significance of a comprehensive history. So, why is it essential to explore this history in such detail? Context. A detailed history provides context for today's AI landscape, helping us understand where we came from and where we're headed. Lessons learned. It offers valuable lessons from past successes and failures, guiding us toward ethical AI development. Inspiration. By delving deep into the AI journey, we inspire the next generation of AI enthusiasts, showing them the remarkable possibilities of human innovation. And there you have it, the complete and comprehensive history of artificial intelligence, from Alan Turing's groundbreaking ideas to the awe-inspiring GPT-3 and beyond. This history is not just a collection of facts, it's a testament to human curiosity and determination. If you've enjoyed this journey through the annals of AI history, please like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to hear your thoughts and which part of this history resonated with you the most in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on this epic voyage, and until next time, keep exploring the boundless possibilities of AI.